Imagine your company suddenly needs to connect 5 additional VLANs to a Palo Alto firewall, but there is only one physical interface remaining. Do you need to buy a new firewall? Not at all. With 802.1q trunking and sub interfaces, one physical interface can securely handle multiple VLANs. Let's see how. Normally, each network needs its own dedicated firewall interface. For example, VLAN 10 connects to interface 1, VLAN 20 connects to interface 2, VLAN 30 connects to interface 3. But physical ports are limited. How can we connect multiple VLANs using a single interface? A switch uses two main types of ports: access ports and trunk ports. An access port carries traffic for only one VLAN. For example, this PC is connected to VLAN 10, so only VLAN 10 traffic passes through this port. A trunk port is different. It carries traffic for multiple VLANs over a single physical cable. Think of an access port as a single lane road carrying traffic for just one VLAN. A trunk port is like a multi-lane highway where VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30 can all travel through the same cable at the same time. But if all VLANs use the same cable, how does the receiving device know which packet belongs to which VLAN? That's exactly what we will learn next. When an Ethernet frame leaves a device through a trunk port, the sending device adds an 802.1q VLAN tag before transmitting it across the trunk link. The receiving device reads the VLAN ID inside the tag and processes the frame accordingly. A switch places the frame into the correct VLAN, while a Palo Alto firewall sends it to the matching subinterface when the VLAN ID is configured. Imagine all VLAN traffic traveling through the same cable without labels. The receiving device would have no way of knowing whether a frame belongs to VLAN 10, VLAN 20, or VLAN 30. That's exactly why 802.1q VLAN tagging exists. Now let's see sub interfaces on Palo Alto. Suppose your firewall has interface Ethernet 1/4 available. Instead of using separate physical ports, you create logical subinterfaces such as Ethernet 1/4.10. It's the 10th subinterface created on the physical interface Ethernet 1/4. On the physical interface Ethernet 1/4, we have created three logical subinterfaces: Ethernet 1/4.10 for VLAN 10, Ethernet 1/4.20 for VLAN 20, and Ethernet 1/4.30 for VLAN 30. Each subinterface is configured for a specific VLAN ID and processes frames tagged with that VLAN ID, has its own IP address, belongs to its own security zone, supports separate security and NAT policies. This allows one physical interface to securely handle multiple VLANs. So, access port carries traffic for a single VLAN. Trunk port carries traffic for multiple VLANs over a single physical connection. 802.1q tag carries the VLAN ID, allowing the receiving devices to identify the correct VLAN. Subinterface, a logical layer 3 interface that processes traffic for a specific VLAN. By using trunking and subinterfaces, a single Palo Alto Fire port can securely connect and manage multiple networks.